Hello and welcome back to the Veganist Pro Show. I am your host, Thomas Faulkner. Today we're going to be covering fermentation and telling you why it's so important for everybody's diet. Okay, two parts of fermentation show today. Here we're going to make the starter for the sourdough bread. Secondly, we're going to make 4 different beautiful vegetable-based fermentations. Here's going to be celery, cabbage, onion, bay leaf, garlic. Wonderful. All the nice colour matching. Then we're going to have mathematical broccoli, carrots, radish, pink peppercorns, juniper berries, star anise, and then lastly we're making 3, not 4, Jerusalem artichokes, chili, cucumber, and fine beans and ginger. So we're going to prepare all of those down and then put them in the jars with some salt and let them all perform their magic together, but we'll go back to that. First of all, we're going to do the starter. Okay, let's prepare this apple. I was lucky enough to learn how to do this process in Litre of Paris, the best pastry college in the world. We only need half an apple for this. You have to cut it small enough to get it through the neck of the bottle. It's quite an interesting process. It's fun as well. I think the kids might like it. I haven't done this with my boy yet, but I shall when I see him. Hi Hugh! Daddy misses you! Now 3 tablespoons of sugar. I buy a bottle of spring water, empty it out into a clean vessel, add your sugar and apples, and then add the rest of the water back in. If we leave that in room temperature, which we're going to, without taping it up, it will explode. Right, loads of cling film. So yeah, 3 days, leave it like this, and then we'll add it to the flour. We'll leave it for another day, and we'll see it all grow into a beautiful, living, breathing organism, which will keep your gut healthy. So why do we take probiotics? In the stomach, to digest our food, we need bacteria, otherwise known as good bacteria. So we're going to leave that for 3 days at room temperature and then very carefully open it afterwards. Fun for the kids. So there's 5 grams of salt in here. It's important that we have, I would say, use spring water. Alright, and we'll leave them between 1 and 3 days, probably 2. Until we start to see little bubbles around the vegetables. And those little bubbles are, of course, bacteria flatulence. We're keeping it real here on the Veganist Pro Show. Bacteria fart. Good bacteria. Absolutely vital to live a long, healthy life with very little infections. And it's that simple, wonderful. Thank you very much for joining us. Ciao.